Space exploration has come a long way since the launch of Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, in 1957. In this video, we'll take a journey through the history of space exploration, from Sputnik to the present day, and examine some of the most important missions and discoveries along the way. The space age began with the launch of Sputnik by the Soviet Union in 1957, followed by the launch of the first American satellite, Explorer 1, in 1958. These early missions were primarily focused on demonstrating technological capability and gathering basic scientific data about the space environment. The first human spaceflight, Yuri Gagarin's historic mission aboard Vostok 1, took place in 1961, followed by the first American in space, Alan Shepard, on board Freedom 7. The space race was in full swing, and the Soviet Union scored another major victory with the launch of the first woman in space, Valentina Tereshkova, in 1963. The 1960s saw the development of the Apollo program, which aimed to land humans on the Moon. After several unmanned test missions, Apollo 11 successfully landed on the Moon in 1969, with Neil Armstrong and Edwin Buzz Aldrin becoming the first humans to set foot on another celestial body. The Apollo program continued with several more moon landings, but eventually came to an end in 1972. Following the Apollo program, the United States shifted its focus to developing the Space Shuttle, a reusable spacecraft that would enable more frequent access to space. The first Space Shuttle mission, STS-1, launched in 1981, and over the next 3 decades, the Space Shuttle fleet would conduct numerous missions, including the launch and servicing of the Hubble Space Telescope. In 1998, the first components of the International Space Station, ISS, were launched, marking a new era of international cooperation in space. The ISS is a habitable artificial satellite that orbits Earth, and has been continuously occupied since 2000. It serves as a research laboratory and testing ground for technologies and techniques that will be needed for future missions to the Moon and Mars. While space exploration has continued in various forms since the Apollo era, one of the most exciting frontiers in recent years has been the exploration of Mars. The first successful mission to Mars was the Viking 1 lander in 1976, and since then, numerous orbiters, rovers, and landers have explored the Red Planet. The most recent and ambitious mission to Mars is the Mars 2020 mission, which includes the Perseverance rover and the Ingenuity helicopter. From the early days of Sputnik to the current exploration of Mars, space exploration has been an incredible journey of discovery and innovation. As we look to the future, we can only imagine the amazing things that space exploration will bring, from new scientific discoveries to human expansion into the cosmos.